My favorite part about working here at Lethbridge Orthotics is probably all the people that we get to see and the people that we get to help.
My favorite thing about working at Lethbridge Orthotics is probably the people I work with. My coworkers, for one, but also the people, the patients who I get to work with. I get to work with a lot of children and help them in their lives. I get to help people who have experienced amputation be more mobile and live independent, full lives, active lives. That's kind of the best thing.
I like the patients. I like thinking that we're doing good for them. I like the fact that they always have the most interesting stories. They humble you.
The technicians are a crucial part of what we do here at Lethbridge Orthotics. They are very skilled craftsmen. They are key to being able to produce really high-end, high-quality products.
Our technicians, they contribute in ways that I can't even describe it. They're amazing. Everything they do is precise, it's detail-oriented, it's unbelievable the work that they turn out and how quickly they do it.
Our clinicians definitely focus on the patient care, the patient outcome. Every patient is individual and you have to look at them with their needs and concerns. And so every case has to be treated very special, and they do that.